While there's always going to be a constant need for vehicle repair services, shop owners could always be more aggressive marketers. The competition is fierce, and as the automotive industry expands and grows, it's critical for individual car repair shop owners to establish their name in the minds of customers and differentiate themselves from competitors. In this video, we talk about why automotive branding could help you maintain current customers while attracting new ones. Branding involves creating a unique identity and leaving a memorable mark on the company from the eyes of your customers. This encompasses not only your company's logo, design, and mission statement, but also extends to your pricing and the caliber of your service, reflecting the essence of your brand. Start with your website, for example. If you're operating an auto repair shop, your website should seamlessly integrate the same color palette and design aesthetics that you're employing across all social media platforms. This way, you can influence and shape people's perceptions of your business because you control the narrative. Even without a deliberate and meticulously crafted branding strategy, your company will inevitably possess a distinct brand image within the minds of the people. Instances of subpar service, for instance, can significantly shape how clients view your organization. Skillful and effective repair jobs contribute to a positive perception, whereas substandard repair work leads to an unfavorable one. You can enhance your auto repair shop's branding with a multifaceted approach. Creating instructional videos that display repairs can be a good way to extend invitations to your shop. Bolster trust by sharing project before and after photos, and incentivize referrals through discounts or rewards. Following service visits, you can also maintain personalized communication with your customers through email newsletters, cultivate client relationships with follow-up initiatives, or offer subscription-based maintenance services for future visits. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.